Credit Rent Boost Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're looking to improve your credit score in 2025, you've probably heard about Credit Rent Boost. But with so many credit building tools out there, is it actually worth it, or is it just another gimmick? Today, we're going to dive deep into everything you need to know about Credit Rent Boost, how it works, costs, benefits, limitations, and whether it's the right tool for your credit building journey. Let's start with the basics. Credit Rent Boost is a service designed to help renters report their monthly rent payments to the major credit bureaus Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Why does this matter? Rent is one of the largest monthly expenses most people have, but historically, it hasn't helped build credit because landlords don't usually report payments. By using Credit Rent Boost, responsible rent payments can now count toward your credit history, potentially boosting your credit score over time. So how does it work? Essentially, Credit Rent Boost acts as an intermediary between you and the credit bureaus. You link your rental payment method, usually your bank account, debit card, or a rent payment platform, to Credit Rent Boost. Each month, when you make your rent payment, the service reports it to the credit bureaus, similar to how credit card or loan payments are reported. The idea is simple. If you consistently pay your rent on time, it demonstrates creditworthiness, which can positively impact your credit score. One of the biggest advantages of Credit Rent Boost is accessibility. Whether you're renting an apartment, a house, or even a room, most renters can participate. The setup is relatively straightforward. You create an account, verify your identity, input your landlord's information, and choose your payment method. Once set up, your rent payments are automatically reported to the credit bureaus every month. Automation is key here because it reduces the risk of missed reporting, ensuring your on-time payments consistently contribute to your credit history. Now let's talk numbers. The impact of reported rent on your credit score can vary depending on your overall credit profile. For someone with a thin credit file, meaning few accounts, or limited credit history, adding on-time rent payments can be significant. Some users report seeing a boost of 20 to 50 points over several months, though results vary. For people with established credit, the effect might be smaller, but it still contributes positively to the payment history component of your credit score, which accounts for about 35% of your overall FICO score. Next, let's discuss costs. Credit Rent Boost usually charges a monthly subscription fee for its service, which can range from $5 to $10 per month, depending on the provider or promotional offers. There might also be a small processing fee per transaction in some cases, though many accounts allow free bank transfers. While this cost may seem small, it's important to weigh it against the potential benefit to your credit score. For someone building or repairing credit, the cost of a few dollars per month can be a worthwhile investment if it leads to better interest rates on loans or credit cards in the future. Security is another critical factor. Credit Rent Boost providers typically use encryption and secure servers to protect your financial and personal information. Your landlord or property manager does not have direct access to your payment data. They simply confirm that you are a tenant and that payments are being made. However, as with any financial service, it's important to review the privacy policy and ensure that your data is being handled responsibly. Let's consider the practical example. Suppose your rent is $1,200 per month, and you consistently pay on time. Over the course of a year, that's 12 on-time payments reported to the credit bureaus. If you are building credit from scratch, this consistent payment history could significantly strengthen your credit profile. It may help you qualify for lower interest rates on future loans, or even higher credit limits on credit cards. The cumulative effect of multiple years of on-time payments can be substantial, especially for someone who previously had little or no credit history. Now, let's examine potential limitations. First, not all credit bureaus accept all rent reporting services. While Credit Rent Boost reports to the major bureaus, some lenders primarily use FICO scores based on specific bureaus, which may affect the visibility of your rent payments. Additionally, if you miss a payment or make a late payment, it can be reported just like a late credit card payment. This means that while rent reporting can help boost your score, it also carries risk if your payment history isn't consistent. Another limitation is that the credit score boost is not immediate. Credit bureaus update information periodically, often monthly, and lenders may not review your updated report right away. It can take a few months to see measurable improvement in your score. Patience and consistency are key when using Credit Rent Boost as a credit building tool. It's also worth noting that Credit Rent Boost is best used in conjunction with other credit building strategies. While on-time rent reporting is valuable, it's not a complete solution. To maximize your credit score growth, You should also focus on managing credit cards responsibly, paying bills on time, reducing outstanding debt, and monitoring your credit report for errors. Using multiple strategies ensures a more robust and sustainable credit profile. Let's explore customer experience. Reviews of Credit Rent Boost are generally positive. Users appreciate that it allows them to turn a large monthly expense rent into a credit building opportunity. Many note that the setup is simple, the reporting is reliable, and the service helps establish or improve credit without taking on additional debt. On the other hand, some users have mentioned occasional delays in reporting or minor technical glitches, but these issues are usually resolved quickly through customer support. Another important aspect is flexibility. Credit Rent Boost works with a variety of landlords and property management companies, but not all landlords are automatically enrolled. Some may require consent or documentation before payments can be reported. If you are renting from a large management company, they might already have partnerships with rent reporting services, which can simplify the process. For private landlords, it may require a bit more coordination, but most landlords are cooperative once they understand the benefit for tenants. Let's consider the long-term impact. Using Credit Rent Boost consistently over a year or two can create a positive payment history that strengthens your credit score. A higher credit score can translate into tangible benefits, such as lower interest rates on mortgages, auto loans, and credit cards. It can also make it easier to rent future apartments, as many landlords check credit scores as part of their tenant screening process. In essence, a small monthly investment in rent reporting can pay off significantly over time. Now, a few tips to maximize the benefits of Credit Rent Boost. First, always ensure your rent is paid on time. Late payments can hurt more than they help. Second, monitor your credit reports regularly to confirm that your rent payments are being reported accurately. Finally, combine rent reporting with other credit building practices, such as keeping credit utilization low and paying other bills on time. This integrated approach provides the most significant potential for credit improvement. To summarize, Credit Rent Boost in 2025 is a legitimate and effective tool for building or improving credit, especially for renters who may not have an extensive credit history. Its strengths include the ability to report rent to all three major bureaus, straightforward setup, consistent reporting, and the potential to positively impact your credit score. Costs are relatively low, and the service is secure and user-friendly. Limitations include the need for consistent on-time payments, potential reporting delays, and the fact that results may take several months to materialize. If your goal is to build credit without taking on additional debt, Credit Rent Boost offers a practical and accessible solution. By turning your largest monthly expense into a credit-building opportunity, it helps you leverage your existing financial habits to create long-term benefits. While it's not a silver bullet, when used consistently and alongside other responsible credit practices, Credit Rent Boost can be a powerful component of a comprehensive credit-building strategy. In conclusion, Credit Rent Boost is worth considering if you want to establish or improve your credit score in 2025. The service provides a unique opportunity for renters to make their rent payments work harder for them, potentially unlocking better financial opportunities down the